Hello, this video explain decision for capstone 2020 round 2. This is a broad differentiation strategy. So for round 2, first we look at research and development screen. We are playing the team D. All team are similar, so team D as example, right? So for round 2, we upgrade traditional product to 6.4 and 13.6. This is an example, so you can adjust the number a little bit in order to launch the product in from June to August. It's okay, so we have enough time to sell the product the same year. Dell is the second. Dell is a low-end product. This product needs 7 years old to sell best, so we do not upgrade in round 1, 2. In round 3, we update one time, and we update one more time in round 7. So this is why special product we update only 2 times, not every round. And number 3, Dixie here is the high-end product. We upgrade to 9.8 and 10.2 and increase MTBF, mean time before failure, to 23,000 hours. So check the launching date around September is okay. From June, July, August, and September is okay. So if you want to know how to get these numbers, you can check the report, industry condition report here, and also you check career report here to see 5 segments: traditional, low end, high end, performance, and size. Again, you check the report here, and then you can get the idea spot. Industry condition report, you get the ideal spot for all the 8 rounds, and also you check the career report of each round, previous round, to find the ideal spot. Ideal spot is the spot that with performance and size customer want most for each product segment: traditional, low end, high end, performance and size. You can also use the Excel file like you are seeing on the screen to calculate performance and size for each product of 5 segments. So we have here is the ideal spot. You also need to calculate the drift adjusted by the drift and also adjusted by the ideal spot to get this table. So you can use Excel file to calculate the R&D research. For XC we have 9.8 and 10.2. You can adjust a little bit to get the launching date around June to September. And next product is dot. Dot belongs to performance product. Performance is here. So we can also get 11.4 and 14.6 for round 2 and increase this to 27 and check the launching date here. You can recalculate the launching date, right? October is okay, and for June belongs to size segment, so we use that tonight. 5.2 and 8.8. You can check them here, right? You can adjust a little bit to make sure that the product launch from June to September. In round 1 we added one new product in there. This new product will start selling well from round 4 to double the sales and profit. And this round 2, we add one more product in Dazer. That's 2 with specification of round 4. So 7.8 and 12.2 with 17,000 here, right? So we have 2 low-end product and 2 traditional product. We will double the sale from round 4. Yeah, you see that ideal spot for traditional segment, right? And now we go to marketing decision. For marketing decision, we check the report here to find the best price for each segment. So we have here we reduce the price from previous round. We also need to check here to find the price of competitors, and we can reduce the price by 50 cents. Again, reduce the price by 50 cents or lower the price of competitors, but around this number to keep good profit. Or we also can use Excel file to keep track of the price of 8 rounds. Each round basically we reduce the price by 50 cents, and we can reduce more or adjust a little bit to keep the price more competitive than the competitors. And also we check the promotion and budget. For round 2, we use 2000 for Dell low-end product to sell best, and for the other product we use 1400 to keep the cost and get some good sale, but also some profit. Dell is a new product, so we use that 20 for the price and 1000 for 1000 here means a million. 1000 for promotion and sales. Now we come to sale focused. Sale focus is one of the most important decision, one of the most important decision. So again, here we check the production from last round, and also we check each segment for segment growth, and then we use Excel file to calculate. For example, you see that last time we get this number from career report. Again, we get this number from career report here, and here from production. So we get the number of unit we sold from last round, and inventory from also from last round, and we can estimate the demand for this round by the unit we sold last round multiple by segment growth. You can get segment growth from again from career report here. For each segment, traditional, low end, high end, performance, insight, you have 5 segments, and also each segment have different growth rate here, and then we can calculate the sale forecast. And also from the sale forecast we can calculate the production plan by sale forecast minus inventory here. You see that focus minus inventory and multiple by 112% or 110%, depends on the competitive situation. So we have the sale focus here, and also we have production plan here. We come back with the game. So we input sale focus around here, and also we can adjust account receivable to get better sales. And now we move to production. For production, again we come back with the Excel file. Here we get the demand, and also demand come from the career report, and sales focus come from demand multiple by segment growth. We get segment growth from career report also, and then we calculate the production based on the sales focus minus inventory, and also multiple by 110%. And now we get the production plan around here. We input in game, and if the production is only 2 times or 200% of capacity, so if we use 100 and more than 150% of the second shift, it means 150% of the capacity. So we add more capacity here, right? In this round we add more capacity for the low end and capacity for the new low end, and also we increase automation to 6 and 8 for traditional and low end product. Also increased automation for the new low end product, and also set automation and add new capacity for the new traditional product. We just add in research and development screen. We need to check the total budget here. 42 million and 43 million is within the budget limitation allow this round. And for human resources, we use 3040. We can use max 5000 around here, max 5000 and 80 hours, but we use that from next round, not this round, right? This round we need to keep some good investment, but keep low cost, save some cost so we can get some profit. And for finance is the last but not least, also very important product. In the first 3 rounds of 1 to 3, we use 3 sources of investment. Max stock is still here, and max current debt, short-term loan we can borrow around 5,000, and also long-term loan we use 23,000, so we can keep some cash, enough cash in hand for operation to avoid emergency loan. So this is very important in round 1 to 3. From round 4 we have enough sale and good profit. We don't have to rely on these 3 sources of investment. You can, at that time, we can retire stock, we can pay back long-term loans. So that's overview of five most important decision. Now we check the performance income statement. We will get about 200 million sales and contribution of 66, and net profit around 11. This is estimation. It also depends on the decision of competitors. So thank you, good luck and success.